got mood. Today I'm gonna do kind of like a day in the life of somewhat. So usually you pull up to the job site and then you start getting loaded, and then you go dump, and then either you come back loaded or you come back empty. Today I'm probably gonna come back loaded, and this video is gonna be like 2 or 3 parts. I'm not sure yet, but my good friend Alex followed me back. Shout out to Alex. He is the inspiration to these videos. This is my guy right here. Man.